Most of the United States is under weather advisories and they are getting dumps of snow. These places, Louisville, Kentucky, Park City, Kansas, which is Wichita, and Kansas City, Missouri. This is the southern line of where winter ends. So most of these places do not get snow, and most of these vehicles are not fitted with winter tires, nor do the drivers have the skills and abilities to drive on ice or snow. This semi-truck here merging out onto the interstate, he or she hit the slippery conditions and got on the brakes to try and stop the vehicle. This is the number one mistake that drivers make when they start losing control of their vehicle. They hold the brake pedal down and pray on a wing and a prayer that the vehicle is going to get stopped before they drive into something. Don't do that. Let go of the brake, let go of the accelerator, and steer the vehicle in the direction that you want to go. In this last clip, freezing rain in Park City, Kansas, which is just north of Wichita. Freezing rain. Two problems here. Curves, corners, and turns. You have to slow down before the curve, corner, and turn. And what freezes first when temperatures plummet to freezing? Bridges and overpasses. So on a curve, there's a bridge and an overpass, and it is slippery. You can see here the semi-truck comes across, starts to lose control of the unit, and lets off the throttle, which is the exact opposite of what the driver should have done. The driver should have got on the accelerator to get the tractor in front of the trailer. Once the truck and trailer start to go out of line, the trailer pushes the tractor and the whole unit goes out of control. You can see a few cars here coming across the bridge there as well, losing control. But at the end, mostly pickup trucks, it is the United States Midwest. The imbalance, all the weight in the front of the vehicle and very little weight in the back of the vehicle, they come across and they start to lose control. You can see that the truck pulling the trailer is getting out of line, but manages to maintain control by simply letting off the throttle and then reapplying the throttle. If you're pulling a trailer, you got to get out in front of the trailer, because once that trailer starts to push on slippery conditions, you're going to lose control and potentially crash. So, freezing rain. Bridges and overpasses freeze first. Curves, corners, and turns get slowed down. And if you are losing control of your vehicle, get your foot off the brake, get your foot off the throttle, and steer in the direction that you want to go. Sometimes you're just going too fast and you're not going to recover. But drive to conditions, and curves, corners, and turns, slow down before them, and go slow through with easy touch on the steering wheel. And sometimes you're going to have to do chop steering, which is pulling the steering wheel down, bringing it back to straight, and bringing it down to get around safely and not lose control of your vehicle. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.